Wetsu Publishing is an educational leader in survival content. We want to thank you for watching our video. Please follow us by hitting the subscribe button and click on the bell so you don't miss our latest video. Thank you for your support, and your video starts now.
Components for a survival kit. The environment is the key to the types of items you will need in your survival kit. How much equipment you put in your kit depends on how you will carry the kit. A kit on your body will have to be much smaller than one carried in a vehicle. Always layer your survival kit, keeping the most important items on your body. In preparing your survival kit, select items that can be used for more than one purpose. Your survival kit does not need to be elaborate. You only need functional items that will meet your needs and a case to hold them. The case might be a first aid case, an ammunition pouch, or another suitable case. This case should be water repellent or waterproof, easy to carry or attach to your body, suitable to accept various sized items, durable. When constructing a survival kit, you should have the following components: fire starting items, water procurement items, food procurement items, signaling items, first aid items, shelter items, items contained within each component, fire starting items, matches, magnifying glass, flint and steel, lighter, prepackaged tinder, commercially manufactured, cotton balls and petroleum jelly, water procurement items, water disinfecting chemicals, iodine tablets, iodine solution, metal container, serves for boiling water, canteen cup, food procurement items, fish, various sized hooks, various sized sinkers, weights, metal leaders and swivels, small weighted jigs, fishing line. Think about the size of fish for that environment when selecting weights and sizes. Game, snares, bait, cheese spread, peanut butter, bread, 550 cord for gill net and trap construction, duct tape, slingshot rubber and pouch, signaling items, daytime, mirror, whistle, pyrotechnics, smoke, pen flares, nighttime, pyrotechnics, pen flares, star clusters, lights, flashlight, strobe, chemlight, whistle, shelter items, cordage, 550 cord, wire, communication wire, tie wire, finger saw, sewing kit with needles for construction, repair of clothing, tentage, poncho, tarp, space blanket, plastic trash bags, first aid items, band-aids, steri strips, adhesive tape, non-stick pads, 4x FAWs, gauze, battle dressings, muslin bandage, ointments, burn, antiseptic, miscellaneous, salt, sugar, eye wash, alcohol prep pads, suture kit, scalpel, fingernail clippers, compass. You should always carry a high-quality fixed-bladed knife, a multi-tool knife, and a sharpening stone.